another Epic Flows production.
And journalist J.
Anything we see
And anything we
feel to say,
news coming your way.
Hello? Poppy police, come now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is Detective Thomas and I'm Detective Bailey. We're just here and just protocols, nothing major. We're just checking, going door to door, making sure that the residents are aware. It's all over the news, but we're checking door to door, especially you guys who are students.
Yeah.
So he's on the loose, Mr. Thomas.
Who's on the loose?
Mr. Thomas, the future
Looking for this individual. This search is mandatory. No search warrant is required. Be aware, it's very dangerous.
So everything seems to be in order here. So if there's anything, don't hesitate to give us a call.
Alright.
Make sure you give us a call if there's anything. One more now, wash girl Ponte. No.
Who's that around here?
I'm rooming at that man.
Okay. Remember to give us a call.
Yo, don't worry, you know. It's just a meeting and a real thing, you know. Don't worry, man. It's just a meet. And everything we hear people say, I believe. If you move, crick your neck. You hear that? So right now, a food, money, and clothes. Come on. Yo, Agua, want some food, some money, and some clothes. And if you don't do that, me crick him neck and lick him with that toe before you hear that. So move up. Move up, yo. Yo, food. Hey boy, don't move. Dirty man. Hold up. Come on there. You want some money, yo? Money! Money, look at boy, yeah? I'm here. Look at the tile. Want money. Look at money, yo. I'm here. What's up? Like, I want me to kick two on the neck one time, you know, yo. And like, I want to the neck crick. You know hear about me? You know hear about me? And me name the cricker. How are you, boy? Piece of yourself? Me crick your neck, you know, yo. That me make you know. Ouda.
No.
Yo.
Bombard, crick neck, crick. Call the detective them quick.
flows. Always strike heavy.